All right, so let's get over to meteorologist Michael Seger. So as I mentioned, the wind today is going to really crank up.
It really is. We've got temperatures that are starting out very mild this morning with southerly winds, and you're going to feel some of the moisture in the air. And then once we transition to the drier air that'll be moving in midday into the afternoon, those winds are really crank up, gusts maybe as high as 55 miles per hour. As we make that transition, we will have a chance for a few showers and storms this morning. There is at least a low wind threat. We could get a couple strong to severe storms with some wind and hail potential. So we are going to monitor that through the morning hours. Right now, timing wise, it looks like that should be out of here by maybe 10 or 11 o'clock, clearing eastern Oklahoma. But that chance will be a little higher as you go to the east and to the southeast this morning. A bit more isolated as you head farther to the west. But we've already got a few isolated showers and rumbles of thunder out there this morning. Fairly quiet here in eastern Oklahoma, but we are going to pan here out to the west of Ponca City. You can see a couple isolated storms, very small pinpoint storms, nothing severe with this, tracking off to the north and to the east here, moving into southern portions of Kansas. But as we make that transition from the humid air we've got out there this morning to the drier air, we will have an opportunity for a few storms to pop up during the morning hours. This is the view here from Brookside on the Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. You can see the cloud cover overhead. Stepping outside, you can feel the moisture. Visually, you can see it with the cloud cover. But once that drier air moves in, we're going to clear out the clouds and temperatures will warm up and the winds are going to go way up. Look at the forecast winds here. Sustained 20 to 35 miles per hour, gusts 40 to 55 miles per hour. That combined with the very dry air moving in. High fire danger today. No outdoor burning. If you have anything outside, as Corey was saying, anything outside that may fly around in that wind, make sure you secure that, or if you can bring it in, maybe bring it in. So timing wise with these strongest winds, again, we'll watch some of these gusts pick up as we go into the midday time frame, but I think the strongest winds come in during the afternoon hours. That's when we can see a few of these gusts in that 40 to 55 mile per hour range. And then once we get into the evening hours, the wind should taper off, especially once the sun goes down tonight. Winds really calm down later this evening and into tonight, so it won't be terribly windy during the overnight hours, especially compared to what we are going to see today. But as mentioned, that grass fire risk is going to be a concern with those winds getting very strong. Humidity values, by the way, in some of the extreme cases today could drop as low as 10%. That is really dry air, and especially for those of you here north and west where we have not really had the rainfall through the winter like we've seen elsewhere in green country, that risk is going to be even extremely higher. Going through the evening hours as those winds calm down, we'll actually enjoy a fairly pleasant night. Temperatures falling through the 60s and into the 50s and then eventually into the 40s tomorrow morning. Might even get a few spots in the upper 30s tomorrow morning. Highs tomorrow afternoon into the mid 60s. A beautiful Saturday. Overall, the weekend's looking pretty good. We may get a stray shower storm south of I-40 on Sunday. Early next week looking very warm with highs in the 80s. May have an opportunity for severe weather across eastern portions of the region on next Tuesday. So we'll keep an eye on that heading over the next few days. Annie?